You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. This is two different things. This is a first name in Russian, and it's a genre of Japanese media. So, both pronunciations are in fact quite similar. Yuri is the Russian pronunciation. Now, in Japanese, it's also pronounced Yuri. Yuri. How to pronounce Yuri? Japanese pronunciation, Yuri. Russian pronunciation, Yuri. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.